Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today let's make some paper craft embellishment. Got these jars which was part of the happy mail for my birthday from the lovely Woolly Steph, which is my YouTube sisters. So decided to use it today. We're gonna make some embellishment, but keep watching guys and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Wow. Before we do anything, I just want to say big, huge thank you for the lovely feedback that you guys give me about John the Giraffe. So this page here was last week Friday's freebie, and the response and the feedback on this page has been phenomenal. So I just want to say thank you. I'm really happy that you guys like what I made, and you know, it's I know it sounds cheesy and it sounds what's the word, yeah, like cheesy, but you know, when you create something, I know I make things and I design papers, and of course I absolutely love what I'm doing, and I just wish it could be a full-time job, but I'm sure one day it will be. So anyway, so when I design the papers, I love doing it, and I have a style. Okay, so every single one of us has got a style. So when I design things that I like. When you guys gave me all this feedback about something that you like as much as I do, because I appreciate not everything that I make you guys like, because it would have been it would not be normal, because every single one of us has got different style and different likes and things like that. I am trying to offer a variety of kit and a variety of option, because I want you guys to be able to pick what you like and play with what you like. So but yeah, so this page here has been, I had really great feedback. And what I'm going to say, I almost finished designing this kit, because as I mentioned last Friday, I have to make this page, I have used my Gold Baroque digital paper, and I put John the Giraffe on top of it, but I'm using John to create a completely different kit when he's going to be the king of the kit. But yeah, in a couple of weeks, I'm hoping even less than that, all the new collections will be on the website. So I have a small selection of digital kits that went into sale, because I want to get rid of them, because I don't want to carry too many papers. So if you want to, you know, get some bargains, just have a look at my sale items. I'll put all the links down below. So yeah, exciting time. Right, so today I want to use up this adhesive here. So my YouTube sister is called Woolly Steph. Woolly Steph has got an amazing channel, and I will put Steph's channel down below. She gifted me this for my for my birthday in a happy mail. So I am very lucky, because Steph always spoils me. So I have used a lot of things that Steph has gifted me, and I want to use this, and I thought, what can we make, because these are clear adhesive, and the beauty of it, that I don't know what you can see, I need something dark. Sorry, I'm not prepared. I need something dark. Give me something dark. I'm looking around. Oh dear, that's it. Can you see? Hold on, that there, in fact, there. Yeah, okay, so this is a transparent adhesive, and then you got the shape of a jar, and yet of course you can see through. Okay, so what I thought we do with this, I want to use one of my newest kit. It's called the Vintage Flora, which I'll show you the kit in a minute. What I want to do, I want to create little embellishment, little jars embellishment using this kit. So let me show you the page one by one. This is a huge kit. It's got lots of pages and lots of different like things in the kit. So you've got few background when you've got the music sheet and some really nice dry flowers. They are real dry flowers that I have scanned. So you've got a lovely page with all these roses. I know you probably see them darker than they are, but on real life these roses are quite bright. Then you've got a page with roses. I don't know names of any plants. I know the basic flowers and the basic plant names. So you got these things, whatever it's called. We got some more flowers, some more roses, and I mounted them in some music sheets. Oh, this is my favorite page. Not sure the name of this, but I'm sure you guys know all the names. Please leave a comment down below so everybody knows. So yeah, love that. Then I make some tags. We've got loads of pages with tags, which I'm hoping, no, they're too small, but I got a plan B. So I've got loads of tags. Do you know, if you do a botanical journal, this is the kit for you. And then I'm thinking, like, in the cover of this journal, you can actually use real dry flowers. If you do like cover in fabric and stitch the flowers, I think that will look really cool. Yeah, it's like tons of tags. Loads and loads of tags. And then I've got, let me just move this on here, which I think they will, yes, that's what I want to do. See, I want to adhere these on top of that, and then we just cut the jars and we use jars as an embellishment. So I've got a page here with 4 cards background. So these are basically, I know it's a bit weird because when it's printed the paper has moved, so it's not printed straight, but once I fussy cut it, you won't be able to notice it. So you got a page, full page with 4 background, and then last but not least, you've got a huge scallop envelope. Okay, so this is the side, and then you fold that on top, and then the scallop will be on top. And I'll show you. I'll cut this and I'll show you, because I think it would be nice if we gift this to somebody. I'm gonna use 4 of the jars. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. For this 5. So, but I don't have. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see if I can use this as well. In fact, we will use it on here. Yeah, so what we're simply going to do, I have no idea where Steph got these adhesive jars, but they're super cool. Oh god, now I'm going to be challenged on, I have no nails. I just cut my nails. If you hear any noises on the background, all my neighbors, because it's really sunny today, have decided to cut the grass. So they're all in the garden cutting the grass. So I've been faffing for this for the last 10 minutes. 5 weeks and 3 days later, I was actually doubting if they were adhesive, but because I literally couldn't peel them off. Now I think it's a bit of a fail because, I mean, you certainly can't see it because I can see it through the camera screen, and nope, but I can see them in real life. So that's the jar, but it's not, you won't be able to see it. So I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's a bit of a fail, but what I thought we would do, I just put some of these, where are they? I got some of these sequins flowers. I just put them, it's not a shaker because of course they don't move because it's adhesive, but I just put some flowers in there and just put the adhesive on top, and I think the result is quite nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the jars, but you definitely won't be able to see it. Okay, sorry about the glare because it's plastic, so you will see, don't know if you can see it without the glare, but that's the jars. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then that's the one with the sequin flowers, which I think is quite cool. I quite like it. And that is the envelope. That's what the big envelope I showed you earlier, what it looks like when it's all done. So you just glue the 2 sides, fold that on top, and then yeah, fit them in. But what I'm gonna do, because to my taste they're a bit too plain, so, and to be fair, you can use them as a bookmark if you put, in fact, got an idea, let's turn them into hidden paper clips. bear with. Okay, so I made some 3 already, and I want to show you. I mean, I have done tons of videos on how to make paper clips, but hidden paper clips. But basically, if that is the page, so you will put this in there, okay, and that is the front. So it works as a paper clip and also as a bookmark. So this is our super cute craft fairs idea, and what I'm going to do, what is my envelope? After I finish, I put them in the envelope, and there can be a really nice addition to some happy mail for some crafty friends. Definitely going to do that. So let me show you how to make them. So you just need 2 strips of cardstock. They are exactly the same in length and width. Now you're going to see it, but what you want, if you're bothered about it, you can cover it. You can cover this part of it, but I quite like the fact that you can see it, because yeah, I'm not fussed about it. So on one rectangular, okay, you fold it in half, and then you just put your paper clip on it. It doesn't matter what color you use, because you won't be able to see it. You won't see the paper clip. Okay, so just get a strip, fold it in half, so make sure it's folded equally. Put your paper clip on top, and then just put some glue. Don't be tight with the glue. This is not a project where you need to save up on your glue, because you want this to be as hard and strong as possible. Okay, and then we get another strip. It's exactly the same, and then you're just going to put that on top of it, and you're just going to glue it together. Okay, so I'm just going to press that, and I do exactly the same on the back. Okay, I need to top up my glue. I bought a big that's going in the bin. I bought a big tab of Mod Podge. Well, when I say I bought it, I mean Jamie bought me for Christmas. And what I don't like about it is that you get these little bits and pieces, which is normal, to be fair, because it's just the glue harden up. But yes, as you can see, my jar is empty, so just need to top it up. I'll do that after I finish this video. So yes, I put loads of glue. I think I a bit too much, but anyway, that's all right. Absolutely fine. And then you just adhere that together. Okay. Now, because when you put the paper clip, you get a little more space in there. As you can see, you get that extra couple of millimeters, so you will get this sort of thing where the edges don't match up. Simply chop them off. Okay, so now they're equal, and the mechanism of the paper clip is just this. So this will put it on your page, and that's the paper clip. So you can decorate the front and the back of your paper clip as you want, so you can do anything that you want to it, because on this project, of course, we're going to adhere them on the back of the jar. It's so sunny here today in Sheffield. I think I fancy an ice cream, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have a little walk and get some ice cream. But don't tell Jamie, because it's gonna tell me off. It's not gonna tell me off, but we have quite a lot of sweets at dinner time, at evening time, so I'm not really allowed to have 2 treats, because otherwise it's not a treat, it just becomes a course. Yeah, anyway, so that's it, and that's the, once it dries completely, so if you get a page and you just put that through, that's your hidden paper clip. It's hidden because you don't see the paper clip, you just see the jar in front and that rectangle on the back. Okay, so as I said, because you see this, you can decorate this. You can actually cut, I don't know, this rose and put it in there, or can you use one of the other small pictures and then just cut the same size of this? But it's up to you. It's really, really up to you. Okay guys, that's it for today. Well, this is this video is the proof that not everything that we trying to do goes out planned. Not everything comes out as we wanted to do, but I think it's good in a way that you know, we try and experiment things and we always come up with a plan B. And because it's crafting, there are no rules. And if somebody tells you otherwise, ban these people, because you don't need that negativity in your life. Creativity is about freedom to do what we want. So big thank you guys to every single one of you that take a time to leave thumbs up and comments on my videos. I really truly appreciate everything that you guys do to me. And I want to today I want to do a shout out to Mrs. D's desk, and I will put her comment on the screen now. And again, Mrs. D's desk left a comment about the Friday freebie from last week, and she said that this kit is so me. And it's so true, because it literally represents my personality: sassiness, contrast, craziness, moodiness, quirkiness. Yeah, it is very me. Thank you, Mrs. D's desk. It is me. Right, guys, don't forget, if you want this freebie, join my Facebook group, and it's still there from last Friday. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving it a very big thumbs up, because it really helps with the channel and the video, because you're telling YouTube how fabulous I am. Guys, I will put somewhere on the screen a couple of videos with some more embellishments that we made not long ago, just to give you some more papercraft inspiration. Thank you so much for watching once again, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.